Actually, do you know what? I need to tell you an example of where you can misuse a roller, and Denise actually was the one who told me this story. Our auntie, I won't mention her name, she's probably watching this video, and I'm sorry, but this story just has to be put out there so people don't do what you do.
My name is Caroline Hooper, Certified Skin and Laser Specialist, and I'm also Clinical Director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe.
She's absolutely crazy. You know, yeah, everybody has that one auntie that they're just mad like. But she loves her home rollering so much that you tell her.
No, I'm not letting out the secret.
You can get into it. Well, correct me if I tell her wrong. But she rolled one night. How often was she saying? Yeah, twice.
She rolled twice in a night.
Twice in a night.
First with a pore filler cream,
I can't tell the story.
and then the second one.
With a pore filler.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the second time I don't know which cream she used.
Probably salicylic or glycolic.
Is she
Or
actually
no. No. So she was rolling twice a day, so she definitely went overboard. Over rolling isn't going to get you any better. Applying more pressure isn't going to get you any better results either. So less is more always. I do have been meaning to get in touch with her just to kind of give her some advice on it. I know she has seen a few videos, but maybe she hasn't seen the skin videos, or she just wants to go hell for leather on her skin and ignore them if she has seen them. But I must tell her that it's not going to get her any further with her results. It's only going to cause damage to her skin in the long run. But the funniest thing,
I know what you're going to tell. She ordered the roller online and I didn't know, so I brought it home from work, and Caroline was gifting her with one. So when I gave her the second roller, I walked in and she was like, "Oh, this is great, you can sit at home now like this."
not good. I'd love to actually do a video with her, but she's so funny.
Is that what you were going to say?
But that's how bad she is. Like, she gets a second roller and she's like, brilliant, now I can roll
Not
both
bad,
sides of the face
it's
that way.
great. Looking after the skin.
So funny. But like, worst thing that she done was, she was after being out drinking one night.
She's going to shoot you for this, telling all her secrets.
And she's a hairdresser, I'm sure she's told everybody, I'm sure she won't mind. But she went home after having a few drinks and literally went hell for leather on her skin, because obviously she wasn't feeling anything. You can imagine alcohol would be a great numbing agent on the skin. And you were saying like she ruined her skin?
No. Just she thought it was great. She could do a deep rolling.
A deep rolling, and did
feel
she draw blood?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So she obviously went pretty heavy handed, because home rollers aren't, the needle depth isn't that deep. So for her to draw blood with our home roller, she must have been pretty heavy handed and maybe going over the area way too much. So if you're home rollering, you only need to go back and forwards a total of 10 times and do it in a cross pattern and then in X pattern, so you're getting a complete crisscross. So you're covering all the area and getting enough blood circulation going at the same time.
On the bonus side though, she said she's getting great results, so she said her lines are gone, which is great.
Yes, so yeah, no, I guess that feels like she is going to see a result now, but for the long term, she could be causing more damage to her skin by doing it too much.